Hi guys. Um, for the love of animation, I'm doing this video, and it's going to be more of like for those who are interested in animation, character creation, rigging, lip syncing, and many more. Well, this is more like an introduction video on what 3D animation is all about when you talk about characters and creating something like that. So I have this character I've created of myself here, and I've been battling with creating clothes for the character using marvelous design, and finally got a headway. Okay, let me just show you a fast one on it. For now, I would just want to link up the clothes together. Okay. Mm, let me move this a little bit. Okay. Now, this is this doesn't look real, but you will see what I can do with it right now. Yeah. So this is a headway for me and the creating the clothing for my character. And by the time I'm done with this, you will actually love it. So just be expecting something with like on this regarding creating characters, how a full tutorial on how to create your own character, whether you want it to look like you or you want it to look like someone else, you can do that. And it will. I know my eyeball is not here, but if it is, you will ever actually see the resemblance there. So thank you so much for watching and expect to see something more coming soon.